They underestimated you. Excellent. Your time is coming. By now, you know silence is not absence. Ambition is not shameful. Observation is your weapon, and secrecy your greatest shield. The Shadow Monarch does not reveal their plans. They act with precision, timing, and invisible force. Lesson: let your influence grow silently. Protect your goals. Move in shadows while others are distracted by noise. When they notice, it's too late. Remember the code. Silence is the domain of kings. Secrecy is the kingdom of gods.